afternoon, class 3. I am audible and visible to everyone. Quickly write in the chat box. Write in the chat box whether I am audible and visible to everyone or not. Yes, ma'am. Okay. That means we can start the class. Okay, a very good afternoon to everyone. Quickly take out your math magic. We will start our math magic class. Okay, we will start our math magic class. See, we were discussing chapter number 5, that is shapes and designs, isn't it? We were discussing chapter number 5, shapes and designs, and up to page number 69 we have completed, isn't it? We have completed up to page number 69. Sana, switch off your front camera. Sana, switch off your front camera. Everyone, switch off your front camera and mute your microphone. Sana, if you are not able to do, tell to your parents to switch it off. Snehanjan, switch off your front camera. Everyone, switch off your front camera. Otherwise, my voice and my video will not be clear to you. If you are not able to do it, call your parents. If you are not able to do it, call your parents. Sana, still it is on. The front camera is on. Switch off your front camera. Otherwise, my voice and my video will not be clear to you. So this is my request to everyone. Switch off your front camera and mute your microphone. Okay, let us come to the book. In previous class, we were discussing page number 69, that is patterns. Okay, and under the patterns, the first we have discussed is weaving. As you know, the clothes, they are made up of threads. The threads, they are weaved, and then we are getting the different types of clothes. Even we are getting the different types of this mat, then shawls, everything. These all are weaved, and then we are getting it. And it was told that this weaving process involves one pattern. Yes, you know that the pattern is followed in all types of weaving. If you are wearing one frock, or if you are wearing any sari, or if your mother is wearing the sari or shawl, in all these types of things, they follow one pattern. Okay, even the mat which you are using to sit, that also follows the pattern. The carpet which you are keeping at home, this all follows the pattern. Okay, so under the pattern we have read, the first one is the weaving. How the weaving is being done, and they are following some geometrical shapes in their weaving pattern. Okay, and we have came across that the circle, square, rhombus, then these type of geometrical shapes are involved in the patterns. Okay, this is for page number 69. We have already discussed, and in page 68 we have discussed about the tangram. It is 7 pieces tangram we have discussed in page number 68, and with that 7 pieces of tangram you have made different types of shapes and animals. Okay, so this is the tangram and patterns we have already discussed. Now come to the new page, that is page number 70. Everyone come to the page 70 of Math Magic. See, in page 70, floor patterns. Now in patterns, the second kind is floor patterns. Have you ever seen a floor which has designs? Yes, nowadays maximum of the floors, they have the designs. Whosoever is making the houses, they have different types of floor designs. Even they have different types of wall, then roof also they are designed. Okay. Now see, do you know how these designs are made? These designs are made by covering the floor completely with small tiles that fit into each other without any gaps. For example, look at the shape of this tile and see how it fits. Yes, see the tiling, it is given the blue color, that is the tiles. The tiles, they are adjusted in such a way that there is no gap between the two tiles. Okay, and they are just completely covering the whole floor. They are just completely covering the whole floor. Okay, Sana, switch off your front camera. So the whole floor is being covered with the tiles. Okay, and one thing is that there should be no gap between the tiles. That means the tiles are adjusted or stick to each other in such a way that there is no gap between each other. Okay, so the first one is the blue color tiles. As you can see, the first is the horizontal, means like this, then vertical like this. So again horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, the tiles are kept together to follow a pattern and it is covering the whole floor. Now come to the second one. Now look at this tile with 6 sides. Now see, there is a red color tile given which has 6 sides. See how tiles of this shape can cover the floor completely without any gaps. Yes, the 6-sided floor, 6-sided tiles, it is attached to one another in such a way that there is no gap, and this is also following one pattern. Okay, and as you can see, by seeing this you can just guess that it is looking like a honeycomb with all the 6 sides are attached to each other. Okay, if you have seen the honeycomb is also like this. They have the 6-sided rooms. Okay, actually they are living in that comb, so they have made it in such a way that there are 6 sides and they all are following a pattern. They all look the same. Clear? Now come to the next one. Page number 71. Page number 71. Page number 71. See page number 71. I am reading it. You just go through it. Page number 71. Okay. Among the following, can you match the tiles with the designs that they will make on the floor? Draw lines to match. Here one pattern is given and one tile is given. You have to join the tile with the pattern. Okay, that means which tile is following which type of pattern, that you have to do it of your own, and you have to do the line matching. Okay, so I am trying to draw it in the board. You just match it. Okay, see the first one. The tiles, they are white and yellow color. They are in white and yellow color. Okay. All the tiles are in white and yellow color. One is this one, then one is the 6-sided tiles. Sorry, this will be like this, then this way. I am very bad in drawing. Okay. If I am drawing any wrong, then pardon me. It will be like this, yellow and white. One tile is here, that is are the 4 tiles given to you. You have to match it with the patterns. Okay, you have to match it with the patterns. Jishnu, it is correct. Yes, Triporna, it is correct. It is correct. Okay, the one that is given here, the one that is given here, that you will match. Okay, the first one that is given here, you will match it with this one. The first one that is given here, you match it with this one. Then the second one, the second tile, the second pattern, you match it with this one. The second pattern, you match it with this one. Clear? Now the third one. Third tile is here. The third tile, it will be matched. The third tile, it will be matched with this one. The third tile, it will be matched by this way. Now the fourth one. Fourth one is somewhat here. It will be matched with this triangle. Okay. The fourth one will be matched by the triangle. Clear? Yes, Snehanjal, it is correct. Shatrik also, it is correct. Sana, switch off your front camera. If you are not able to do that, call your parents. They will switch it off for you. Okay. Now, students, I think you have completed this one, the matching. Sana, switch off your front camera. Okay. See, you can also make your own tiles and use them to make your own tiling patterns. You will find some such tiles at the end of the book that you can cut out, trace and color. Yes, in the last page some tiles are given. You can cut it out and you can frame in your own way. That means you can make it any design and you can cut it out and then you can frame it and form a tile, a pattern of a pattern. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Come to question number 2. Complete the following tiling patterns. Now you have to complete the following tiling patterns. Okay. It is very easy. One triangle is in pink color and one triangle is in brown color or chocolate color. That you will do it of your own in the book. Okay. This is I am giving homework to you. This I am giving homework to you. You color it at home. Clear everyone? Color it at home. Draw it and color it at home. It is very easy. One zigzag line you have to draw it and then you will color it. Now turn the page, come to page number 72. Come to page number 72. Everyone, you will color it in the book, okay? Yes, whatever colors you have, use that colors. Whatever colors in the sense means the crayons or the pencil color, whatever you have, take it and color one triangle pink and one triangle chocolate color. Okay, one triangle pink and one triangle chocolate color. Now come to page number 72. I am reading the question. Complete this pattern. Compare it with the pattern on page 70, which also uses 6-sided shapes. What is the difference between the two? Now here also one pattern is given and here also you have to color it. So this also is homework to you because it is very easy. By looking to the book only, you can color it. Here two colors are used. One is peach color and one is yellow color. So color it at home and you have to say what is the difference. The difference is that both are six-sided shapes, but the difference is that one is kept horizontal and one is kept vertical. In the page 70, it is the six-sided shape is kept vertical in the standing position, whereas in page number 72, the same six-sided shapes are kept in the vertical way. That's why the pattern or the floral design is being changed. Okay. So do it at home, color it at home. Now come to question number 4. Khushbu and Harish live in Agra. One day they went to see the Taj Mahal. The floor had the patterns shown below. Now these two children, they have gone to Taj Mahal to see the floor pattern, and they observe that the floor pattern is like this. Now the girl is saying, I can see two different tiles in this pattern, and the boy is saying, I think only one type of tile has been used. Now the boy, he is saying that no, it is only one type is used, but the girl is saying no, it is two types of tiles are used. What do you think? Discuss with your friends. Now can you tell they are using one type or two types of tiles? What is your answer? Write over the chat box. Is it one type of tiles are used or two types of tiles are used? Quickly write in the chat box. Is it one type or two types? Indrila is writing one type. Vishnu is also writing one type. Yes. Others also quickly write it down. Triporna is also writing one type of tile. Shatrik is writing one type. Snehanjan is writing, ma'am, one type. Yes, you all are correct. It is one type of tile. But what is the difference? One is kept vertical, that means in the standing position, and one is kept horizontal, that means in the sleeping position. Okay. So one is horizontal and the next one is vertical. This way they have kept the same tiles, but it is one type of tile. Sana, it is tile, not type. T-Y-P-E, type of tile. The spelling of type is wrong. Yes, very good Aditi, it is one type. Okay, so I think this one is clear to everyone that in Taj Mahal the floral designs are made up of one tiles only. Now come to page number 73. Everyone come to page number 73. Joydeep, switch off your front camera. Yes, now it is right, Sana. Very good. Okay, now I am reading the next topic, that is tiling time. The patterns below are made from this tile. In this pattern, three colors have been used to make it look like steps. Okay, see, this is called the tiling time. The first one, where the tiles are kept and three colors are used in that single pattern. Okay, but that's why it is looking like a steps, that one step, second step, it is looking like this. Whereas in the second picture, see, by using two colors, it becomes a different pattern of blue and yellow flowers. Now the same tiles, when it is being used two colors, at that time the pattern changes. Okay, see, in the first picture they have used one green color, one yellow color and one chocolate color, whereas in the second tiles they have used two colors, that is blue and yellow. That's why the design changes and it is looking like a flower, whereas the first one with the same tiles, it is looking like steps, isn't it? It is looking like steps. So the next question is, use different color combinations to make your own patterns. Now the same tiles are given here, you have to use your own, means you have to use your own mind and you have to color it. You can use two colors, three colors, whatever colors you want, you can use it and you can color this two patterns in different way. Both will be different, okay? And try to draw your own tiles. That means try to draw your own pattern. Clear? So this I am giving you as homework. Yes, Jishnu, it is very good. It is looking like a flower. You have used three colors, that is yellow, red and blue. It is looking very nice. Very good. This type of different patterns you can think of your own and you can use it or you can color it. Okay. So this also I am giving homework to you. Just color it in the book itself. Color it in your book itself. Okay. Now see what the ant is saying. I have seen a mithai sweet of this shape. Now she is saying that I have seen a sweet of this shape. Can you tell me what type of sweet you have seen? Answer me in the chat box. Answer me in the chat box. This type of rhombus type of shape, not rhombus, this type of shape, one sweet is there. What is the name of that sweet? Can you tell me what is the name of this type of sweet? As the ant is saying. As the ant is saying. Quickly write. Only Sana and Triporna are writing. Or they are typing. What about others? Others also think what is the name of that sweet? Snehanjan, I am asking the name of the sweet. It is square. But what is the name? It is not square. What is the name of the sweet? Can you tell me what is the name of the sweet? Barfi. Very good. Shatwik has given the first answer. Yes, it is barfi. There is a lot of water in my mouth. Yes, all are writing barfi. Kalakandi. Snehanjan, kalakand is of square shape, not of this type of shape. All are writing barfi. Yes. Today only you will tell to your parents to take it, to bring it for you, okay? And you all will see first of all the shape and then you will eat that barfi. Clear? Exactly, it is barfi, or you can say it is kaju katli. Kaju katli is also like this. So everyone today at home enjoy the sweets. Now come to the next topic. Now what? Have you seen this shape in any other design? On a wall, a dress, on a basket, a mat, etc. Now the ant is asking that have you seen this type of designs in anywhere else, like in the mat or in any type of clothes or in any type of dresses, wall, or even on a basket? Yes, you have seen this type of shape, isn't it? This type of shape, they are following the pattern, and you can see even on the walls also nowadays people are doing different types of colors, or people are using this type of patterns to make it colorful and to look nice. Okay, so even in the dresses also you can see this type of pattern is being followed. So I think you have seen it. Okay, so students, come to the next page, that is page number 74. Come to the next page, page number 74. In page 74, the topic is treasure hunt. This is a very interesting topic. Okay, so you read this topic at home and we will discuss on this topic in our next class. Clear? This is very interesting topic and I think you know to solve it because it is a type of puzzle. Treasure hunt, it is type of puzzle. You read it of your own and then in our next class we will discuss in this topic treasure hunt. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye all of you, and practice the maths up to page number 73, whichever we have completed up to that page you do it. Okay, so bye all of you for today and practice maths and stay safe at home. Bye everyone.